So starting out with steep turns, how these are done is when you go into a steep turn, you're trading that vertical lift for more horizontal lift, component of lift there. So when you go into it, you're going to have to add a little bit of back pressure. In order to start this maneuver, you want to pick a point out there on the horizon that you're going to end up rolling out on. So there's a big white building right near that horizon line. I'm going to try to pick two other points, one on the left and one on the right. So when I roll out on the left, I'm going to use my one on my right to begin my rollout back to my center point. On my left point, same side, is when I'm making a right-hand turn, I'm going to use that left-hand point to roll back out on my heading in which I started at. So I'm going to note my heading. I'm looking at my point in which I chose out there on the horizon line, and then I'm going to go right into it. So we're at 3,000. So for private pilot, this maneuver is done at 45 degrees bank. For commercial, it's 50. So we can roll right into it. We're looking here on our altitude indicator.
And ground support.
And right about there is our 45. And then as it settles into the turn, you notice I'm having to add a little bit more back pressure because you're trading that vertical for that more horizontal. Your goal is to maintain altitude throughout the whole maneuver and roll out onto your points. So the points that I chose out here is the intracoastal, which we'll see right coming up just right now. And there we go. I'm going to again begin this shallow little rollout, and I should end up right on my point. And then you'll roll right into the right one. My point on the left is the white building out there. So I'm going right into that 45, and I'm going to hold that pressure. As it settles in, it may require a little bit more. With the right turns, you require a little bit more right rudder along with it.
Traffic jump 1, turning crosswind, runway 23, Cape Fear.
You notice how my altitude, my altimeter is not changing, my vertical speed is not changing. The only things that are really changing are my heading as I'm making this turn. My ball is coordinated, and I'm holding that 45 degrees of bank. So there's my white building, and I'm going to begin my rollout right here, and right back on the heading in which I started at. It was roughly about a 020, and I'm still at my altitude.